plan? Are you still going on that date?
Not yet. I thought maybe you still want to come along. By the way, Marie, this is Loretta. Loretta, Marie.
Dad? Excuse me? Mas maganda pa ako sa'yo. Di ba, Nina? Oo.
Yan yung titiyaan ni Loretta.
Sana ba sister mo?
But we know Loretta. Loretta is our godchild, Julio. She is God's sister next to our own Marie. We are one happy family.
Happy!
How's your father? You hear from your father?
Father's in the south. He's gone Muslim. Now, he has 4 wives together. And my mother has just been divorced and has married her 3rd. It's a great life, Hinalun and Anne. She sends me dollars, he sends me pearls and seashells. And every now and then, one of them sends me his or her pictures. At least, I'll know them when I see them.
Lovely Lori. Never mind, dear. You can always stay here with us.
Oh, I can take care of myself, Hinalun. And when I get lonely, there are guys like Julio here to take me around and give me company.
Oh, how long have I been in this? Aren't you afraid? You grab yourself together.
Oh, if that were possible, I wouldn't mind.
Neither would Julio. I am sure he will be grafted with Marie or Trisha or Dolores. Are they friends of yours?
Not yet, but Julio has told me about them, and I'm looking forward to meeting them.
You funny! There's no such girls like Merly or Trisha or Dolores. I just invented them. Stop it, baby! Did I?
Oh, but it only proves to Julio that I'm understanding, grown up, and reasonable. Jealousy is meanness. I would never be jealous, no matter how many Trisha, Merlys, or Doloreses there might be. Are you jealous, Ty?
I knew jealous time. Puta! Of course, if I love a man, I will fight anyone who tries to claim him.
Goodness! What tiger! I'm glad Julio does not belong to you. Or I'm afraid you blew my beautiful eyes out. How awful! Who would be coming for any other girl to be jealous of any man at all? When there are so many others, after all. Come, let us go to the beach. I have my bathing suit under this dress already. Can you swim?
Can you swim?
No. I learned to swim from Julio. How patiently he taught me. He's the world's most patient instructor.
Tinuruan kita?
Oo kaya?
Hindi.
Oo.
Barbers.
May swimmer ka?
Meron ata.
I don't think Farin wants to go to swimming today, Loretta. You better just go ahead with Julio. And we can't go either. We have so many things to do around the house. Besides, we are giving Marie some tutoring in a special course.
Well, Tata, we're off. Come, Jules.
Let us not go to the beach today anymore, Loretta. Can't you see? Nakaswim na tayo ako. Just go home by yourself. And later, if you like, we can all go to a movie.
What? You want me to go home alone? You got me from my house, and you just better take me back there too. Of course, you must take her home, Julio. Come back later if you like. But take Loretta home now.
But I have to talk to Maureen. Loretta, please go home by yourself. It is daytime anyway. Please give me a chance to talk to Maureen.
May karanta! Nakalimutan ako.
Ako?
Tabig siya. Bye na Loretta. Bye na Abby.
Tia Ludi, Tia Annie, please tell Marie I'd like to talk to her.
Just stay here. We'll call her.
Please listen to me. No one means anything to me but you.
You didn't mean anything to me at all. So please get out of here!
Do you really mean that? Really mean it? Because if you do, I'll walk out of